Welcome to DIY Tech. Spectrum router WPS button not working. Open your computer or laptop. Open an internet browser of your choice. Firstly, log into your Spectrum router account using the router's default IP address. This IP address information is usually given at the backside of Spectrum router. Now, in order to log in into the Spectrum router or other kind of routers, you will require the username and password. Generally, the default username for this router will be admin and password will be the word password itself. Upon the successful login into the Spectrum router panel, you have to search for that particular tab which says wireless connection. Now, here in the wireless connection option, you will see a WPS option having a symbol of upward and downward arrow keys. Click on that specific WPS option. You will notice that the WPS light on router starts blinking. Thanks for watching.